Let's talk about this. What is the position of the head of the family in a family property? Most times you see that the family head is feeling like he's the owner of the land. Family property, family land, whichever way. The head of the family might tell you to talk first, I'm the head. I have the right to sell. Please don't buy from the head of the family alone without the consent of the principal members of the family. It's a very dangerous thing to do. If the head of the family consents, please also seek for the consent of the principal members of the family. And if the principal members of the family consents, yes, you're good to go. There needs to be evidence that they consented. The meeting should be in writing, everything should be documented for you to be in a safe hand. Yes. What is the implication of buying a property, family property, without the consent of the principal members of the family? First of all, that transaction is voidable. What do I mean by voidable? In the eyes of the law, it's still standing with one leg. That if somebody hits that leg, it can fall. So the person that can hit the one leg is the principal members of the family. The principal members of the family can sue the head of the family and take steps for the transaction to be void. So now, if courts void that transaction, what it means is that you're going home empty-handed, despite the money spent. So imagine you've erected a very fine house on that land before the transaction is void. Then what would they do? Will you go and demolish your house? So why do you have to take that risk? You don't have to take the risk at all. So before you pay for any land, if family or no family, consult your lawyer. Let your lawyer give you a proper guidance. So now, if the family property is sold to you with the joint consent, that is the consent of the head of the family and that of the principal members of the family, then the title is legal and is valid. So, but if the principal members did not consent, don't listen to the head of the family. He cannot validly sell that land to you. This is why we're telling you, do not buy until the whole consents that are necessary for you to get a valid title are obtained. The position of the head of the family is that he's holding the land in trust for the rest of the family members. So do not listen to him. Don't even pay attention to whatever he's telling you. It's also very, very dangerous for you to buy from the principal members of the family without the consent of the head of the family. So in that transaction, it is even void. There is no transaction at all. So you've just simply wasted your money. They might be telling you, Shebi, we are many. It's not just one person that will make the transaction not to be valid. You're buying that property at your own risk. So why do you have to risk your money? If the principal members of the family sells the land to you, you have gotten nothing. No, nothing. That's you're holding empty paper. That paper is nothing in the eyes of the law. So you've just done no transaction at all. If you're watching me from Facebook and you've not followed my page, please follow my page. Like, comment, and share this video. And if you're also watching me from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Facebook at Legal Aid with P.O. Okonkwo Esquire. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel at Peace Oluchi TV. Please support your girl.